Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the user deletion feature in the BOLO application. So as you can see, I'm already logged in as an administrator. So we can go ahead and go to the admin dashboard and then the user management page. And we will pick and add a user to delete. So let's go ahead and delete this one. So as you can see, they have the option to delete the user. Once you click delete, it will send you to a confirmation page to make sure that that is what you want to do. Once you click confirm, it'll take you back to the home page, and as you can see, the user is gone. So the user was the supervisor. Even though the user is deleted, if you go into the BOLO page, you can see that their BOLOs are still intact and still contain all the information that it should have. It'll have the agency information and any other details that was input by that user into the BOLO. So you can still perform the user deletion without interfering with the BOLO. So that's the demo for the user deletion. Thank you for watching.